It is finally here, the next generation of the vehicle that popularized the four-door coupe layout, that the Mercedes-Benz CLS. This 2019 version replaces the model that appeared in manufacturing form way back in 2010. In comparison with that vehicle, the CLS appears thinner and much cleaner. The back fender creases that were "look at me" have disappeared, tail and the nose straightened, along with lamps, and the grille sit low. What's rakish roof along with a belt line. It may be a tad distinctive but older. Although the CLS has always been about fashion, this creation is also significant from a powertrain perspective. It'll be the only engine, and it makes 369 pound-feet of torque and 362 horsepower. The includes a mixture starter and generator hooked up to a system. Help can be provided by it with acceleration in addition to permit for coasting. This powertrain is combined into some 9-speed automatic and may propel the CLS into a top speed of 130 miles, though 0 to 60 period in fuel market evaluations have to be published. The two all-wheel drive and rear drive models will be accessible, and all models have suspension in any way corners with aviation. The part of this CLS that is new is that the inside, it seems like Mercedes, filled with metal spans of timber and leather. Lighting is everywhere, including the dashboard, center console, and the air vents. The light does play a part in a special feature known as energizing comfort. There are 6 settings which alter massage chairs, temperature settings, and the light to set a mood. From lane keeping to adaptive, being a Mercedes, the CLS has oodles of motorist aids. Ultimately, in honor of the launch of the new CLS, Mercedes is offering a distinctive version 1 version, the matte gray vehicle in the above-mentioned gallery. It sports AMG body alterations and wheels, regular elastic LED lights, along with a spiffy black leather interior with black natural grain aluminum and wood accents. They'll go on sale, although pricing hasn't yet been released for some of the CLS versions.